Heat waves are very common in Nuevo León. The last heat wave was in July of last year, 2022, that causes a drought that affected everyone.
As we know, we live in Nuevo León, a place that is surrounded by mountains, so the earthquakes and tornadoes are not very common here. Because the mountains act as a barrier, so the tornadoes disappear, and the earthquakes doesn't feel so much. But what damaging weather events are common in Nuevo León? Well, we have to mention that the hurricanes are very common here in Nuevo León. This weather freak has been being the causes of the biggest destruction of the city.
As many people do, we agree with the opinion stated in text 3. As we don't change our habits, we will reach the tipping point in the next 60 years, because there are many facts that prove it, such as the upper 100 meters of the ocean show a warming of more than 0.6 Fahrenheit degrees. The ice sheets are sinking. Glaciers are disappearing almost everywhere in the world. The global sea level rose 20 centimeters in the last century, and we are living through the sixth mass extinction, a mass extinction that has not happened since the age of dinosaurs.
The governments are not completely responsible for the climate change, but they can have a lot, putting bins on the street to separate the garbage, or restricting the companies that contribute to this climate change. But obviously, we as scientists need to contribute as well, like following the rules and everything. We can just leave the job for the governments. This is a job for everyone.
We have some habits that damage the environment. The three more common are the excessive use of the car, using a lot of water, and throwing all the trash in the same bag. But we can do something different. In the case of the car, start using the public transport or use the bicycle. In the case of the water, start using buckets and close the cave when we don't use it. And for the last case, start to separate the trash in inorganic and organic trash.
I've trudged the earth for so damn long and still don't know shit.